Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot. Now to make a slip knot, I'm going to show you guys two different ways to do it. You can do it on the table, like flat on the table, or you can hold up your yarn and do it. But I'm going to show you guys both ways. In order to make a slip knot, all you're going to need is a bit of yarn, kind of like a ball of yarn. I chose a red ball. This is Karen 1 pound. I believe it's bright red, but I chose this one, and also a 6mm hook, just so that, 5mm hook, just so that you all will be able to see it pretty well. I also recommend, if you are just now starting to crochet, to start off with a 5mm hook or a 6mm hook until you get the feel of how to hold your yarn and how to hold your hook. So without further ado, let's get started. Then you're going to take your left hand and lay it on top of where those two bits of yarn cross. You're going to take your right hand and come under this loop, hold it open with your thumb and index finger. All right, you're going to reach down and grab your working end of your yarn, kind of pinch it down there. All right, pull through this first loop. Okay, then you're going to take your left hand and pinch your tail end and working end in between your fingers. All right, with your left hand you're going to pull down, with your right hand you're going to pull up. Your thumb or like your index finger should be in the loop. All right, and you're going to pull in opposite directions to tighten your slip knot. And once you've made your slip knot, you can, let me see, which one is it? Yeah, you can hold your working end in your left hand and your tail end in your right hand, and then just pull on both sides to close it. Okay, now when you make a slip knot holding your yarn in the air, you're going to pinch your tail end and your working end with your left hand. So that could be with the index and middle finger and the thumb. That could be any way that feels comfortable for you. But you're going to pinch your tail end and your working end with your left hand. And with your right hand, you're going to hold open the loop. The first step, just like when we were doing it on the table, is to lay your tail end across your working end. Next step is to reach down and grab your working end with your right hand. You're going to feel the loop kind of loosen up on your fingers as you go down to grab the working end. That's perfectly fine. Just make sure that the loop stays on your thumb and index finger. Like, just make sure your thumb and index finger are still in the loop. So you're going to reach down and grab your working end. You're going to pull the working end through the first loop. All right, and then you're going to put your thumb into your new loop. You're going to pull in this direction. You're going to pull up with your right hand and down with your left hand to tighten the slip knot. Okay, and that is how you guys make a slip knot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you later.